Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World Channel. If you will plant, you will reap harvest. And look at this, we already have this ripe papaya. And this ripe papaya is just in time for my breakfast. So eating fruits every day would keep the doctors away, of course. And this papaya is one of the fruits that we can eat because this will give us strong immunity. And aside from the fruits, we can also use the leaves of this papaya for the dewormer of our chickens and ducks. You look at here, they're eating a lot of the leaves of this papaya and this is good for their health. Once in a while, we also have to give some leaves of this papaya to our chickens and ducks. For today's video, allow me to also stress some points about the deworming of our goats. Is this really very important? Yes, I believe so. Deworming our goats is very important aspect in the goat farming. Because if you notice that your goat is not healthy, meaning that you feed them all these grasses and they're not getting fat, one of the reasons is that they have worms in their intestines, in their bodies. So regular deworming for our goats and chickens is actually very important. So come on, let's go to the goat house and we will deworm our goats. Let's go. So you look at here guys, they're eating a lot of this papaya leaves. And if you are planning also to have a natural dewormer of your chickens and ducks, you will also plant alongside this type of papaya. I mean, any type of the papaya is already good. But in my case, I'm planting here the seedless papaya, which are actually also very delicious. Let's see. Well, I observed that after we will deworm our goats, especially to the baby goats, their fur will become shiny and they will eat a lot. And you will see or observe that they will get fat. So you will see the evidence of what we're talking about here. This four goats, these four young goats have been dewormed already and they are actually now getting fat, and giving ipil-ipil as well to our goats, especially early in the morning, is also very recommended because this can also control roundworm in their bodies. So we will proceed now with the deworming of the other goats. So in here, we have goats that are not yet dewormed. So that one here, so that black and white goat will be dewormed. And then, of course, we have to record everything. We have to make some journal so that we will not overdose our goats. We are deworming twice every semester. One of the practices that I have observed, which are actually very effective, is to mix a buck inside the pen together with the female goats, the does. Because when you are going to put the buck inside the pen, it will entice them to breed. So, in my experience, fast breeding or quick breeding of the goats, they will inheat again if they have just, if you have just weaned the babies and then you will mix that together with the buck, chances are they will become inheat again and will become pregnant again. So, if you're gonna mix the buck together with the does, if you are going to mix your buck together with the does, then that's an assurance that they will soon breed again. It will entice them to breed. In giving the dewormers to our goats, we should not commit mistake because the pregnant goats should not be dewormed because it might affect their babies inside the womb, of course. So never deworm pregnant goats. You can only deworm them when they are about to be bred. And part of the conditioning process is to deworm them before the breeding. So this is one of the best practices that we have observed here in the farm. And I've been in contact with several vet meds friends who are actually willing to help us, and they recommended that goats which are pregnant should not be dewormed. So we will proceed in the other cubicle and we will also give some dewormer to other goats. There is a good chance to save your grasses if actually you are chopping them, and this is what we do. And of course, this is also quite effective in so far as the saving of the grasses is concerned. So these are the things that we can share with you so far. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we are uploading videos very regularly. And welcome to the new members of this channel, new subscribers. Welcome. We are close to 2 million subscribers. And I would like to see you in my next video only here at Dexter's World.